Hello everyone, as you know, I am Sugnani, Assistant Professor, Department of the Civil Engineering, KG Reddy College of Engineering, Hyderabad. So today's class is about triangular notch. Guys, as you know, in the last class, we discussed about rectangular notch. In this, we are going to study triangular notch. Okay, let's start the triangular notch. We are finding discharge through the triangular notch. So just consider one triangular notch. The height of the water is how much? That is h. So this is the head of the water and the angle of the notch is theta. To find any of the discharge to the devices, what we were doing? We were doing considering the one small strip. Similarly, consider the small strip in this and the height is about dh. So consider this is as a B and this is C. Just consider one axis. So I will take the give the name as a O here. D E I will give the name. So this is the and the description of the figure is consider one triangular notch and the height is about h and this the notch angle is theta and consider a small strip in this that thickness is about dh. So when you consider the dh, you take this part to the outside, how it means? It looks like this triangle. This total angle is how much? This is theta. So I made it is a 2 parts, so it is now theta by 2 and this height is O to C. This is and D. To find any of the discharge, we should know area, velocity and the coefficient of the discharge. To understand this, we need to find the area of this small strip. To know the area, we should know, so DE, that is the length. So how to find that area? First we will consider this triangle. In this triangle, tan theta by 2 is equal to tan theta by 2. Tan theta is equal to what? Opposite, that is OD divided by adjacent is OC. So the water above the strip is how much? That is the small h. Now OD is equal to 2 times of the OD is the OD is 1 by 2 times of D and OC. Now I will keep this is the OD as it is. So OC, this is the OC is how much? The total height is h and the water height above the strip is h. So OC is, how I can write? Capital H minus small h. So this is tan theta by 2. We want DE. So OD is equal to capital H minus small h into tan theta by 2. So this is OD we got. Now DE is equal to 2 times of, this is DE is equal to 2 times of OD. 2 times of OD. Just now D is equal to, I will write how? 2 times of OD. The OD is this value. Just substitute this value in this equation. So 2 into capital H minus small h into tan theta by 2. Now area of the strip is of the strip is, this is the DE, length into height is how much? That is DH. So, D what we got? This. Just substitute this in this equation, that we get H minus H into tan theta by 2 and DH. So, now what we are going to find? Discharge. So, discharge equation is Q is equal to CD. Already you are very well known about this equation. So, area into velocity. As we all had so many classes and we discussed about this velocity, which velocity we are going to substitute here? That is the theoretical velocity. Now, I am giving the one task. So, you have to tell me the theoretical velocity. What is the value of theoretical velocity? And also we have discussed about this in the last class when we were dealing with the rectangular notch. Yes, just ask yourself, what is theoretical velocity? So, just think and tell me. Your time starts now. Just remember what we were substituted. Theoretical velocity is equal to, yeah, S. Come on, you will just try it. Already we are gone through this in one of the video when we were dealing with the rectangular velocity. So, the same velocity here we are using. The only difference is here there were rectangular notch, here is triangular notch. Is okay, fine. If you answer, that's a very nice, very good, congrats. And the theoretical velocity is square root of 2gh. Who all of you answered? Check your mental ability, how much you are remembering. So, 2gh. Now, CD is same and the area also we got, and theoretical velocity is the much. Let's we substitute these all in this equation 1. So, Q, that is the discharge, CD into area of the strip is 2 into capital H minus small h, that is tan theta by 2 into dH. So, velocity is how much? That is square root of 2gh. So, this is the for this small strip. But what we want here? The discharge through this notch. So, apply the trigonometric from the level 0 to capital H. Now, to integrate any of the term, please keep the constant term outside of the integration. The CD is constant for the particular devices, so I will keep it in outside, and 2 is constant, and tan theta by 2 is also constant, and here square root of 2g is also constant. And which are the left terms? Please come on. 0 to h is integration. We take on this capital H minus small h into h root h. How I can write it? What is the value of the root? That is 1 by 2. So, I will write h raised to 1 by 2 with respect to dh. This is discharge for this whole notch. Now, we will integrate this part. 2CD into tan theta by 2 square root of 2g. So, just multiply these term. I am keeping the integration term as it is. So, capital H into small h raised to 1 by 2 minus h raised to 1 plus 1 plus 2. So, what should I write here? That is h raised to 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So, this into dh. Now, we will integrate this now. So, q keep as it is, and 2CD, this this is the constant term I am writing as it is tan theta by 2 into 2z. So, now the integration of h into h raised to 1 by 2. So many of you are very struggling with the integration and differentiation. This is the first time I will explain briefly and you should carry out into the next classes. So, now I will write the h m into n term h raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. So, minus I will keep it is as it is. So, h raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. So, still we need to apply the limits, those are 0 to h. 2CD, these are the terms, as you know, this constant term I am keeping. So, what is the value of this now? This value is 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So, h into h raised to 3 by 2, I am writing divided by 3 by 2. And this is 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 is 2, this should be multiplication by 2. So, it will be h raised to 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. The limits I am keeping here same 0 to h. The applying the limits is nothing but what? Please go back to your old classes, mathematics classes, applying. I should apply the limits. It means wherever the small h, you should substitute this capital H. And one term, this capital H minus, instead of h you should keep 0. So, capital H I can keep. If I substitute 0 instead of h, it will become 0, this will become 0. So, remaining term is h into h raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus h raised to 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Now, I applied the limits. Now, nothing anything very difficult, just substituting and the simplifying the term. So, 2 CD tan theta by 2 into 2z. So, this I will write as a 2 by 3 and h raised to 1 into h raised to 3 by 2 means 1 plus 3 by 2. So, minus this is how I can write 2 by 5. So, h raised to 5 by 2. Just simplifying, no any new terms, new substitutions are coming here. Just I am simplifying the terms. Now, how much is? This is the 2 by 3 into h raised to 5 by 2. So, this is minus 2 by 5 into h raised to 5 by 2. Here also h raised to 5 by 2, here also h raised to 5 by 2. To take the h raised to 5 by 2 outside, you will get 2 by 3 minus 2 by 5. So, I will write it here side, and this is the briefly, very deeply I am explaining, because you should not follow this all the derivations. You should be very ensure about your basic mathematical knowledge. Take the LCM, this is the 5, this is the 3. So, 10 minus 6 divided by 15. This is 4 by 15. So, this is. So, 2 CD into tan theta by 2 into 2z. So, this is how much I got? This is 4 by 15 into h raised to 5 by 2. So, here just I am rearranging the terms. So, 8 by 15. So, 4 by 15 into 2, 8 by 15 CD tan theta by 2 and square root of 2z into h raised to 5 by 2. This is your the final equation for the finding the discharge to the triangular notch. Just take a once glance, because it looks so very lengthy. The main important things is that to remember, the key points to remember this derivation is, first you should consider one triangular notch, and in that you should first find the area of the strip, because to find the area of the discharge we should know the velocity, CD and area of the strip or the area of the cross section. First we are dealing with the strip, so we should know the area of the strip. To get the area of the strip we need, so DE. How to find the D? By taking this is as a theta by 2. Once you find this the DE, what you have to do? Area of the strip, that is the height is how much? DH. So when you got the discharge, it should be very mandatory to remember the thing, that is the theoretical velocity V is equal to square root of 2gh. Just substitute all this. So just now you started to finding the discharge to the whole notch. So apply the integration. So the small strips, the number of the strips which will give the integration of all those gives the whole notch. Just integrate, and this is all about just the simplifications. You will get this as final answer. So I hope all of you understood, and thank you, and next video will be solving the problems over this. Thank you.